Samsung Galaxy Z, Fold 6, and Z Flip 6 just leaked in official image, and here's your first look. Get ready for a sneak peek into the future of foldable phones. The Samsung Galaxy Z, Fold 6, and Z Flip 6 are about to redefine your smartphone experience. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video informative, and subscribe to stay updated and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Welcome to our channel. I hope you have a fantastic day. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 are set to take center stage. A recently leaked official promotional image gives us a tantalizing glimpse into what these next generation foldables have in store. This image, seemingly intended for a Kazakhstan audience, showcases the half-folded Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. The exterior display and camera housing of the Z Flip 6 are clearly visible, along with the Samsung Galaxy AI branding, a testament to the AI revolution sweeping across the smartphone industry this summer. Rumors have been swirling about the cameras on the Z Fold 6. Some say they are identical to those on the Z Fold 4 and Fold 5, while others suggest a more protruding lens. The promotional image hints at a triple camera setup, but without any accompanying text, it's hard to confirm any significant internal changes. The Z Flip 6, also featured in the image, seems to retain the design of its predecessor, the Z Flip 5, while some renders suggest a slightly thicker Flip 6, potentially housing a larger battery. This single image doesn't provide enough evidence to support that claim. The Z Flip 5 introduced a larger 3.4-inch exterior display, and there are reports that Samsung plans to increase this to 3.9 inches for the Z Flip 6. However, based on this image alone, it's difficult to confirm this upgrade. The camera housing for the Z Flip 6 appears to be identical to the Z Flip 5, but there are whispers of an internal upgrade from a 12MP main camera to a robust 50MP sensor for the Z Flip 6. Samsung is reportedly developing two variants of the Z Fold 6. It's uncertain whether both or just one of these versions will see the light of day. The Z Fold 6, slim, a larger foldable lacking S Pen support, is rumored to replace the low-cost Z Fold 6 FE version. Meanwhile, chatter about a high-end Z Fold 6 Ultra suggests a limited release in the US, UK, and Australia. So far, the leaked images don't reveal any internal upgrades. We'll have to wait until the launch of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, which are expected to debut alongside the Galaxy Watch 7. Samsung has scheduled a Galaxy Unpacked event in Paris in early July, just before the Samsung-sponsored 2024 Olympic Games. It's widely speculated that Samsung will unveil new hardware at this event. So stay tuned to see how many foldable phones Samsung has up its sleeve. And that wraps up our sneak peek into the future of foldable phones with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. If you enjoyed this video and are excited about what's next in the world of smartphones, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive content. Remember, the future is always unfolding, and we're here to help you stay ahead of the curve. Until next time, peace out.